Hi everybody, thanks for watching this video. Number 26 already. Who would have thought, eh? In this video I'm going to just give you a couple of little tricks, tips and tricks. Hopefully that helps you to find your way around different keys, etc. In video 24 I explained how you can learn a major scale, then transpose it 2 notes to the left, to the lower end of your harmonica, and then there you go, you got your minor scale. Of course, this also works the other way around. Say you wanted to play a piece that you know, say for example, especially for you Vic, maybe, you want to play something in C minor. So how'd you go about playing in C minor? It works exactly the same way as I explained in video 24, only the other way around. C minor, you go up from the C, you go up a note and a half or 3 semitones, and there is your major key. If you go up from C, say you wanted to play something in C minor, so what you do then is you figure out, hang on, C, the next note up is D, then half a note more, and that ends up in E flat. So if I want to play something in C minor, I need to learn how to play in E flat major. It works the same in that way. So you can also, of course, figure out your major key starting with the minor key. So instead of transposing it 2 notes down, you transpose it 2 notes up. So from C to E flat. So if you want to play something in C minor, you need to learn how to play E flat major. I hope that helps. Then something that I find quite interesting, some of these scales, like I explained in the last video at number 25, especially with the sharp scales, the keys that are written with the sharps. I try to give you a little trick, because obviously you know that all the notes that you play are blow, draw, blow, are constantly changing. So for every note you change your breath. Blow, draw, blow, draw, blow, draw, blow, or you start on a draw, draw, blow, draw, blow, draw, blow, draw, etc. So I explained in the last time with the sharp keys, as long as you know what note to start on, so you know how to start on a draw or a blow, and you know where your 2 draw notes are, that helps you to remember the scale. Now let's do a little exercise on this. For instance, and this is a key I find quite fascinating, is the key of E major. The key of E major, so it starts with the note E, which is blow 2. Now, E major comes with 4 sharps. Now again, look at the file that I gave you in 25, download it, print it off, have a look. The key of E goes like this. It's blow, blow, draw, blow, draw, draw, so the key of E major is blow, draw, blow, draw, draw, blow, draw, blow. And where you use the slider is on the 2nd, the 3rd, the 6th and the 7th note. Sounds complicated, but it actually means that the whole key of E major is actually completely symmetrical. So up and down works exactly the same way. Draw, blow, blow, draw, blow, draw, draw, blow, draw, blow. And up goes the same way. Blow, draw, blow, draw, draw, blow, draw, blow. So the key is completely symmetrical. Also, the notes where you need the slider is completely symmetrical. second and third up, fifth and sixth, sixth and seventh. And on the way down it's the same. Second and third note and the sixth and seventh note. There you use a slider. Quite an interesting key. Maybe quite an easy one to actually learn how to play in different keys. Key of E major. Try it out. And again, E major is a note and a half down, C sharp, minor. So I hope you give it a go. But again, key of E major is just to remember that your draw notes, your two draw notes, are 4 and 5. Ta dee dee 4 5 6 7 8. So as long as you know where your two two draw notes are next to each other, you can play away. Another little trick that I want to show you is if you play a key where there's either a C or an F in the scale. For example, B flat. B flat is quite interesting. B flat starts of course with B flat is a draw note. But in the scale there appears an F. Now if you notice that the key of B flat has got quite a few draw notes and not quite enough blow notes, so you can get out of breath. But to find a way around that, and don't forget the F you can play as an enharmonic note, so you can actually play an E sharp which is the same note as an F, because the difference between E and F is only a semitone. So instead of an F you can actually play an E sharp, which turns a draw note into a blow note. Don't forget, because that helps you to play in B flat, for example. So blow with slider or draw without slider. It also helps you with your breathing pattern, just in case you run out of breath or anything. There's just a few little tips about B flat and B flat major and E major, just to help you to get along. And again, you need to look at the file to find out how to play them, which notes to play, what holes to use, etc. I hope this helps. Good luck, and I hope you download the file and just have a go. Thanks. And just another little trick to add if you're playing in different keys, and this is probably the most important tool ever, and that's your ears. Say for instance, let's keep on the same example, key of E. Find an E on your harmonica, and that is your Do or your Sa. Ba, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa, Ni, Da, Sa, Ma, Pa, Re, Ga. I did that wrong, I think. Sorry. But the most important thing is to listen, to hear the notes that you got in your head that you want to hear. Do da do da dee da 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 da. The notes that you're expecting to hear, and you listen to what you play. That is the most important tip ever. Your ears are your most valuable tool ever to learn to play in different keys. I really hope this helps. Thanks very much and good luck.